Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy way to remove stains from your carpet with Resolve. Spot treat your stains with Resolve. Leave for a few minutes. What I'm doing here is I'm using this brush that fits into my drill. You can buy one of these brushes at Amazon or Walmart. Fit it into your drill and give it a few turns just like that. You don't have to scrub or do all the hard work. It does the work for you. Give it some turns and see, you can already see that the stain has gone away. Using a wet paper towel or a rag, just clean it up and then you see how neat your carpet has become. The stain is just gone so easily. Try it out. Hope this video helped. Any questions? Post a comment and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.